Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to set up your AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation on your iPhone. So let's get right into the video real quick. The first thing you want to do is open your case like this and put it close to your iPhone and give it a second or so for it to pop up. And there it is. And once it pops up, you can go ahead and just click connect and it will connect right away. And for me, I'm going to turn on personalized volume. You can always turn it off or you can always do it later, but I'll turn it on right now because I know that's a really good feature. I've been using that feature on my AirPods Pro 2 in the past. So let's turn that on real quick. And for Siri, I'm not going to set that up right now, but you can always set it up in the future. So I'll do that now. Right away, you have the head gestures. I'm going to turn those on because those are really helpful. You can always shake your head or nod your head to answer calls or to decline calls or to reply to messages or decline messages. So you can turn that on right away, and that's pretty much it. You're pretty much set up and ready to go. And if you put this in your ear like that, nice and easy, and go to your control center, you can see you can get spatial audio on the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. So that's pretty much all you get in the control center on the one without the active noise cancellation. So if I turn it on right that, and I have to stop screen recording and play a sound for you guys to see the options there. So let me just play a song real quick. Wow, this sounds really good. So now you can see I can do spatial audio fix or head track. So now it's fixed, sounds really good. And head track, it sounds even better when I move my head. It's like the music is following my head as I move my head. It's just really cool. I can always turn it off because sometimes that can be really distracting when it's moving around your head. But yeah, that's pretty much all you get inside the control center. Let me start the music real quick. I just press it once to stop the music. You can double tap it to skip the music, and you can triple tap it to go back to the previous music. And I believe if you press and hold, you should turn on, like, I believe when you press and hold, let's see. Oh, press and hold activates Siri. You might have to change that inside the settings. And speaking of settings, I will be doing a full in-depth video on the settings for the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. So subscribe so you don't miss out on that video, because I think that video is going to do pretty good, and I think a lot of people find that video really helpful because I'll show you all the settings you need for the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. So subscribe so you don't miss out on that, and also subscribe because this channel is almost at 5,000 subscribers and I want to reach at 5,000 subscribers before the end of September. So subscribe so we can make that happen. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Like this video if it was helpful to you, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Oh, by the way, if you guys are wondering how to pair this to another device, because there's no pair button on the back like in the previous versions, you just need to double tap right here and you'll see it ready to pair again. And I believe if you do a triple tap, you can factory reset your headset if you want. Really nice. So no more buttons on the back, it's on the front. It's like kind of hidden button underneath the case. I wonder how case companies are going to make case for this to like have it to pair without having to take it out of the case. That's going to be really interesting. These sounds really good.